Welcome, dear students. Today we will talk about geography of class 8. From this video, we will start a new chapter. Chapter first, resources of geography. I know that you all are confused that what is resources. All things which have utility and value is called resources. In the definition, you got two terms, utility and value. So let's see what they are. Utility refers to use of an object, whereas value means economical worth. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. Types of resources. There are three types of resources: natural resources, human made resources, and the last one is human resources. So we will see them one by one. Now we will see about natural resources. Resources that are drawn from nature and used without much further modifications are called natural resources. Natural resources are furtherly divided into three parts: on the basis of development and use, on the basis of origin, and last on the basis of stock. And now we will see them one by one. On the basis of their development and use, the resources can be classified into two groups: actual and potential. Now we will see both of them one by one. Actual resources are those which have been survived. Their quantity and quality determines are being used in present time are called actual resources. Actual resources are basically the resource which we use in the present time, and we know the quantity and the quality of that resource. Some examples of actual resources are coal, silver, and water. Now we will see potential resources. Potential resources are resources which exist in the region and which can be used in future. So the resources which will be used in the future when the technology will develop are called potential resources. For example, uranium, which is present in Ladakh. In the present time, we don't use uranium, but when the technology will develop in the future, we will use the uranium. So uranium is an example of potential resource. On the basis of stock, natural resources are divided into two categories: renewable and non-renewable. We will study them in the further slides. Renewable resources. A resource which can be renewed or replenished quickly is called renewable resource. A resource which can be renewed over a time is called a renewable resource. For example, water. Water is an example of renewable resource because water gets renewed over a period of time. Now we will see non-renewable resources. Those resources which have limited stock. Once the stock are exhausted, it may take thousands of years to renewed. The resources which have a limited stock, and if the stock finished, it will take thousands of years to renew. This type of resources are called non-renewable resources. For example, coal. On the basis of origin, the natural resources are divided into two categories. The first one is abiotic and the second one is biotic. We will study them now. Abiotic resources. All the non living things present in our ecosystem are abiotic resources. The things which are non living, which don't have life, are called abiotic resources. For examples, bones, rocks are some examples of abiotic resources. See, biotic resources. All the living things present in our ecosystem are called biotic resources. So all the things which live alive is called biotic resources. For example, plants and animals. They are living things, so they are also a biotic resource. Now we have last distribution, and that is on the basis of distribution of resources. We have two resources, ubiquitous and localized. So we will see them in the next slide. Ubiquitous resources. All the resources which are found everywhere on this planet, on this earth, are called ubiquitous resources. Means all the resources which are found everywhere, everywhere on this planet. For example, we can take water. We found water everywhere on this planet, so it is a ubiquitous resources. Localized resources. The resources which are found only in certain places on this planet are called localized resources. The resource which we found in only some places. For example, gold. We found gold in gold mines. So it is a localized resource. It is found only in certain places. And other examples we can take copper, silver. So these are some examples of localized resources. We have three topics left and we will discuss them in the next video, which I will upload soon in 2-3 days. If you found this video useful, please hit the like button to motivate us so that we can make more videos, and please share this video as you can to your friends, those who are in class 8, and please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get our new updates. And thank you for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in the next video. Thank you very much.